Hey RVers, this is Ashley at BISH'S RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we are just doing a quick walkthrough on a recent arrival. So we're a little over 36 feet long with this one, sold here previously and just traded in for a new one. You are also going to have an outside TV, and this is on the Freightliner chassis with the Cummins 360 horsepower engine and Allison transmission. As we come inside, you'll see really nice neutral colors, and this one has a lot of storage, especially for its size. You're going to have a sofa that also becomes theater seats. This table is also going to extend to place on the end, so you will have plenty of seating if you have guests or family. Across from that, we have a real nice love seat. You can also see there are seat belts on these. We'll find our kitchen. So this one is going to have your oven microwave combination unit that allows for more storage in place of an oven below the 3-burner propane stovetop. Next to that, we have our dual sinks, really deep countertop, perfect for putting appliances back there like air fryer. And even more storage. See why I like this one? Here, and right below this is where the port is for your built-in vacuum cleaner. And then your refrigerator. So this is a residential refrigerator, extra large space here, extra large fridge, freezer. And then you come to the bathroom. And this is something we don't see from Newmar. You actually have sliding wood doors here. So the hallway where I'm sitting becomes part of your bathroom. Dual use of space. You shower here, fully enclosed, really nice unit. And then across from that is going to be your toilet, vanity, sink, and nice windows, of course. So they give you plenty of legroom here, even more storage. And remember, this one is not that long, 36 feet and change. And coming back here to the bedroom, this one has a queen size bed. This mattress has been upgraded. Newmar does have full residential size mattresses, so this is 60 inches by 80 inches long. You can put whatever mattress type you would like here. And the mattress does not fold. So you have opposing slides here, which is giving me plenty of room to stand in, get dressed in, pull out all my drawers here, bedroom TV. And you can see here with this glass panel allows for your remote to go through to any type of TV receiver, DVD player you might have. Behind me, this one has a nice upgrade. This is actually a combination washer and dryer. They did this to allow for some extra storage space up here, but if you prefer nothing or the separate stacking washer and dryer, they can be put in as well. You do have a very large closet here. We have also a part of your vacuum cleaning system in here and extra racks in there. So lots of storage space here. Really comfortable, nice use of space. They did great with this floor plan. They're not currently making this one. So if you like the looks of this one or you want more information on any of its cousins that we have out here, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name is Ashley at BISH'S RV of Oregon. Please don't hesitate to call or text me anytime. My number is 541-337-2387. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.